This is a microwave egg cooker. All you do is crack 2 eggs in here, put some water in, some salt and pepper, and you pierce it with a fork and put it in the microwave for about a minute and a half, and you have fresh, hot, poached eggs. These are perfect for egg muffin sandwiches. They're the perfect size for English muffins, so that's great too. And I'll show you how to make them. First, I forgot that you have to spray these first, or otherwise they're gonna stick on pretty bad. So I'm gonna spray with a little avocado oil, and I've got 2 eggs here. I'm just gonna crack these in the bottom. Add a little salt and pepper, and I'm just gonna pierce them with a fork. I'm just gonna add a few drops of water so that they can steam. There you go. And then you just close the lid and put it in the microwave. I'm gonna cook it for 1 minute, 30 seconds. Every microwave is different, and I heard a lot of popping going on, so I ended mine about 1 minute and 15 seconds. And here's what they look like. Perfect eggs in a minute.